Hi guys, hope you all are doing well in your life. This is Rekha Mishra, a law of attraction coach. In this video, I am going to explain 4 tips which you must know if you are following law of attraction in your daily life but still wondering why it is not working for you. Then this video is for you. Stay tuned with me. Now, moving on to the video, how to use law of attraction to get anything you want. The first thing which you must know is your intention. Get clear picture of your intention, what you want. Yes, set your intention and get clear with your intention, what you want. Because if you are following law of attraction, then clarity is a king and clarity is a power. Yes, clarity is a power and clarity is a king when it comes to manifesting your desire. So you must have clear picture of your intention, what you want. Otherwise, you will end up manifesting a lot of things which you don't want. So it is always said that focus on your desire, what you want. For this, what you have to do, it's very simple. Take a piece of paper, write down all the things which you are expecting from your desire. For example, if you want to manifest a relationship or you want to manifest your dream job, just take a piece of paper and write down everything in detail what you want. Suppose you want to manifest your dream job. So what you have to do here, make a list of all the things which you are expecting from your dream job. It may be your salary, your office, your designation, your employee. Write down everything what you want and how you're expecting your dream job. Make sure you're writing it in present tense. Why you have to write in present tense or past tense, I'll clear that in another video. But for now, just make sure that you are writing it in a present tense. Why? Because this will help you to clarify your intention. And once you get clear picture of your intention, what you want, then you can easily manifest it into your reality. Once you are clear with your intentions, once you are all set with your wish list, the second step is your faith. Yes, you must have a full faith in you. You have to believe in you that whatever you have written in your wish list, you have a full capacity that one day you can achieve all your dream, whatever you have written in that notebook or in that piece of paper. So show full faith to the universe, show full faith in you that you can achieve that. You have full capability, you are enough. Just always remind yourself, yes, I am enough, I can achieve that. It's very easy, you can do that. If that person can achieve that dream, then why can't you? So show the universe that you have a full faith. When you show the universe that you have a full faith in you, you have a full faith in universe, you no longer vibrate the energy of fear. And when you no longer vibrate the energy of fear, you show the faith that universe has your back. Yes, you just know that whatever happens, happens for the reason and nothing wrong can happen with you because universe has your back and you have a full faith on universe. You can call it God, Allah, higher spirit, divine angels, power, anything you want. Just show the universe that you have a full faith and always, always, always believe that universe has your back. Yes, this is the most powerful thing where we all make mistakes. We make our wish list, but after that we start wondering who will fulfill our wish. It's impossible. I am alone, can't do anything. It's not like that. You all have a capabilities and we all can do everything we want. You must have a blind faith on universe. When you feel it, you leave it. And when you leave it, regardless of what's happening on your outside world, you start vibrating positive energy. And when you start vibrating positive energy, that's when universal energy gets aligned up with your energy and you can easily manifest your desire. The second thing, which is the most powerful law of attraction exercise, is gratitude. Yes, start paying gratitude to the universe. Start appreciating the life you have. Start appreciating the things you have. Gratitude is very powerful because it will help you to raise your vibrations and it will bring you with the harmony of universal energy. So, start paying gratitude from today itself. Start writing every day about everything you have in your daily life. It may be your parents, your blessings of education, your health, your cousin, your friends, the money which you are getting from your parents, from other sources. So start appreciating all these things in your life. Just start it and see how your life changes. If you don't pay gratitude, it means simply you don't appreciate the life you have. You show the universe that you are not happy with whatever you have, and what happens here, you start attracting the things which have a low frequency or which vibrate a negative frequency. You start vibrating the people, the circumstances, the situations which have a low frequency and which is not good for you. So start paying gratitude, start appreciating the life, and you will start appreciating good circumstances, good people, good situations in your life. The last thing, which is the basis of any manifestation, is your happiness. Stay committed to your happiness. I am happy with whatever I am having. Start paying gratitude, at the same time feel it that yes, you are happy. Show the universe that you are happy with whatever you have, no matter how small it is. So be happy as much as possible, because when you are happy, you start vibrating positive energy. And if you are aware about law of attraction, then you must know likes attracts likes. So whatever you will send out will come back to you. So if you are happy, that means you are sending positive energy. So again you will start attracting positive energy. If you are sad, that means you are sending out negative energy, and again this kind of energy will start attracting. So if you are not happy, you indirectly send out negative energy and you start attracting the people who are not good for you, who keeps shouting at you, who keeps making you feel down. So that's how you attract the things in your life. Either you consciously attract that thing or you unconsciously attract that thing. So pay attention to your things, pay attention to your thoughts, how you are feeling, because you are the creator of your life. And if you are following law of attractions, then make sure you are following all these 4 tips in your daily life, and let me know in comment section whether you follow all these techniques and whether it was helpful for you or not. So if this video was helpful for you and you want to hear from me again, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press that bell icon. Bye bye.